In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to MySQL. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Jira Cloud instance with an account that has admin or app installation permissions. You'll need that level of access to add the connector we're about to use. Start on your main Jira homepage. From here, we want to get to the For You area, which is part of the standard Jira navigation. This is usually available from the main Jira menu at the top. Go ahead and open that For You section now so you're in the general Jira Workspace where you can access apps and recommendations. Once you're there, look toward the top navigation or the sidebar for the option that takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace or the Apps section. In the guide, this is shown as a highlighted area. Click on that highlighted Marketplace or Apps entry. If you're not sure, hover over the items until you see something related to Apps or Explore More Apps. When the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar where you can look for integrations and add-ons. Click into that search box, which is the next highlighted area in the guide. Here, type MySQL as your search term. This will filter the list of apps down to those that help Jira work with MySQL databases. After typing MySQL, you should see a list of relevant apps and connectors. Look through the results for a SQL or MySQL connector for Jira that matches what you see in the guide. The screenshot highlights the specific app, so in your Jira, click on that highlighted app entry from the search results to open its details page. On the app details page, you'll see information about what the connector does, how it integrates Jira with SQL databases like MySQL, and any permissions it needs. This is a good moment to quickly review the description and confirm it meets your requirements, such as reporting, data export, or analytics. When you're ready to install, find the Try It Free button on the right side of the app page. This is the final highlighted element in the guide. Click Try It Free to start the installation process. Jira will walk you through confirming the installation and granting the necessary permissions. Once the connector is installed, you'll be able to configure it with your MySQL database details according to the app's documentation. And that's the core process for connecting Jira to MySQL through the Marketplace connector.